Okay, ladies, for this week's Wednesday workout tip, we're going to use that book bag that your kids aren't using for the rest of the summer. Throw some books in here, throw some shoes in here, whatever's going to make the book bag a little bit heavy. You can pick the book bag up, work your arms, you can do some curls, you can throw that book bag on your back, you can do some squats with it. It's going to add some weight to your body. It's going to give you more resistance on your legs. You can even do some lunges with the book bag on your back. You can do some walking lunges, take a walk, take a jog with the book bag on, take a walk, whatever you need to do. You can even throw the book bag around to the front and do some crunches. Now, we'll get on this ground, but I'm afraid that it's going to be a little bit too dirty. So you can do some crunches with the book bag, whatever it needs to do to work on those abs. But add the weight. Add the weight to the book bag. Remember, ladies, no gym, no excuses. Stay motivated, mind, body, and spirit. Stay motivated, 365.